How's that?
Oh my god, it's like releasing like the front side of my face. It's so nice.
All the tension.
Yeah.
It's kind of melting away.
Yeah. Oh man. Oof.
Good. All right. Great releases there.
Oh man.
How's that?
Oh, it felt so good in my lower back too.
Yeah. All the way down.
Yeah.